Hello. Today's topic, stars, sun and moon.
All about stars, sun, moon and earth. This is how the stars and moon looks like from the earth we live in. This is how the earth looks like from space. Travel of astronauts in space. We can see Earth, Jupiter, a satellite and an astronaut here. Astronauts can visit space, but they must always stay away from the sun. Because when the satellite comes, they wait, and then when the sun comes further, they back away because they know it's dangerous to stay close to the sun. We can land here safely. We rescued ourselves from sun burning us down.